Thai Panang chicken curry, an absolutely delicious exotic curry that's bursting with rich flavours, yet ridiculously simple to make. Join me and Mum in the kitchen as we show you just how easy it is. To make the homemade Thai paste, we'll need a food processor and a good selection of fragrant ingredients. In go 16 deseeded dried chilies, which have been soaking in half a cup of hot water, along with 9 whole garlic cloves, a generous bunch of coriander stalks, and 3 small shallots. We add a tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons each of coriander powder and cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of anchovies, 1 stalk of lemongrass, chopped up, 11 dried kaffir lime leaves, a tablespoon of galangal powder, and 3 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. And of course, we can't forget the water the chilies were soaking in. That's pure flavour right there. Now, blitz everything into a smooth aromatic paste. This is the heart of our curry, and trust me, your kitchen is about to smell incredible. Now, onto our cooking pot. Half a cup of oil goes in, bringing it up to medium heat. Straight from the food processor, in goes our Thai paste. No need for extra washing up. Let's make sure to scrape in every last bit. No wastage in this kitchen. We'll cook this spice paste for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, until we see that glorious moment when the oil starts rising to the top. The aromas will be outrageous, the kind that makes your neighbours question their dinner choices. Halfway through, you can add half a teaspoon of red colouring for an extra vibrant hue, but that's entirely optional. Now that our spice paste is beautifully cooked and the oil is starting to peek through, it's time to add 1 kilogram of chicken breast, cut into chunky, bite-sized pieces. Stir it through, making sure each piece is coated in that luscious, fragrant mix. We want a lovely sear on the chicken, so we'll cook it for 5 minutes. Keep an eye on the heat and keep that chicken moving. Just look at that colour developing. Once we're happy with the sear, in goes a can of coconut milk, bringing a velvety, luxurious creaminess to the curry. Stir it in well and cook for just 2 minutes to combine. Now, we add 1 tablespoon of palm sugar for a hint of sweetness, and 4 tablespoons of fish sauce to bring that deep, umami-rich complexity. Mix it in well, let everything get to know each other, and bring it to a gentle boil. Pop the lid on and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Right, it's been 15 minutes, and our curry is coming together beautifully. The chicken is tender and full of flavour, but we want to thicken the sauce just a touch. Turn the heat up to medium-high, throw on a splatter guard, because let's be honest, no one enjoys cleaning curry off the stovetop, and let it reduce for a few more minutes until you reach your desired consistency. And just like that, perfection. Not too thick, not too thin, just right. Time for the final flourishes. Sliced red chilies for an extra pop of heat, and as always, a generous scattering of fresh green coriander to brighten everything up. And there you have it, our stunning Thai Panang chicken curry is ready. Just look at those colours, take in that fragrant aroma, it's absolutely fantastic. And can we talk about how easy that was? Just a handful of ingredients, a few simple steps, and boom, restaurant quality curry, right in your own kitchen. This dish is a proper medium to high heat, so it's best enjoyed with rice. No naan this time, I'm afraid. It also meal preps beautifully and freezes like a dream, so you can have a curry fix whenever you fancy. A quick shout out to Julia for being the first member of the Burmawala Kitchen channel. Your support is massively appreciated. And following the great success of our last video, we'll continue our competition. Every comment on the video within the first 48 hours gets entered into a random prize draw to win a free packet of our amazing spice blend delivered anywhere in the UK. Last week's winner was Linda, and she should be receiving her spice packet this week. Thanks again for all your support. You lot are amazing. As always, full ingredients and instructions are in the description below. Happy cooking.